Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, explain how does TestNG allow you to state dependencies. Let me answer. In TestNG, we have a predefined attribute known as depends on methods attribute, using which we can make one test method depend on one or more or multiple test methods. Let me practically demonstrate this for you. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE where we have the sample TestNG project. In that project, we have this class. Here, I'm going to create some test methods. Public void sample1. You can give any name to the methods. I'm just giving sample1, sample2 like that. Over the mouse and import this annotation from TestNG. Copy paste. Just to save time, I'm just copy pasting and creating multiple methods. Sample2, sample3, like this. Okay. Now I want to make this particular method depend on either one or two methods. That's up to you. For that, which attribute you have to use? Depends on methods attribute is equal to. Okay. Here, if I have to give multiple methods, I have to give curly braces like this. Okay. If I have to give multiple method names, if I want to make this test method depend on multiple test methods, I have to write the curly braces. In that, we just mention double quotes and give the names of the methods on which this method need to depend on. For example, this method need to depend on sample1. Not only sample1, this method should also depend on sample2. Okay. Fine. Now, here what I'll do here is I'll make this method, one of the method fail. Okay. If one of the method fails, then automatically this method will be skipped from execution. Okay. Because it will not be executed. It will be executed only when both of these methods pass. Okay. Because this method is depending on these two methods. For example, first case, I'll just make it a positive case. Sample1 method, sample1 got executed. Okay, like this I'll write. Same print statement I'll write here. Sample2 got executed, I'll write. And here I'll write down sample3 got executed. Okay, this is the third method. Now, in this case, these test methods are not going to fail. There are no statements inside this two test methods to fail them. So they are going to automatically pass, and this method also will run. Okay, I'll simply say run all and see. Everything will run. Sample1 will run, sample2 will run, sample3, which is depending on sample1 and 2, also will run. You see, total 3 tests got run. Sample1, 2, 3. First sample1 got executed, then sample2 got executed, then sample3 got executed without any problem. What if in one of the test methods, I'll fail it? Okay, for example, if I fail this particular test method, int I is equal to 9 divided by 0. This will give you an exception known as arithmetic exception. Because of that exception, this particular thing will fail. Or I can write some asset statement saying asset.fail or something. That also is fine. Okay. Now, if I run this, what will happen? Let's see. Sample1 will fail means automatically the method which is depending on this sample1 will not be executed. You see, one got skipped, one got passed, one got failed, one got skipped. You can see the output here. Sample1 got executed, but it got an exception because of which it got failed. Okay, it got failed. I'll show you properly again. Sample2 got executed. There is nothing in the sample2 to fail, so it got executed properly. This is sample1 got failed. You can see it here. Sample2 got passed, but because of one of the test method on which the sample3 is depending on has failed, sample3 got skipped. It has not been executed. You see, sample3 got skipped. You can see the same thing here. Sample1 got failed, sample2 got executed successfully. Sample3, which is depending on these two methods, out of these two methods, one of them thing is failing. So sample3 got skipped. It didn't get executed. Skipped because one of the test method has failed. So this is how we can make one test method in TestNG to depend on one or more TestNG test methods. So hope guys you got the answer for this question. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.